Good day! My topic is all about cooperative learning with the computer. Cooperative learning or collaborative learning is learning by small groups of students who work together in a common learning task. It's often called group learning. There is 5 elements in cooperative learning. Number 1 is a common goal. In a common learning task, they need to work in a common goal. Second is interdependence. Third is interaction. They need to interact with each other to do a task. 4 is individual accountability. They are responsible for their tasks. And 5 is social skills. They can effectively communicate with each other because they freely to communicate. From several studies on cooperative learning, it is manifested that cooperative learning, true sense, is advantageous since it A. Encourages active learning while motivating others. B. Increases academic performance. C. Promotes literacy and language skills. And 4D. Improve teacher effectiveness. In a cooperative learning, there is 5 components. Number 1 is assigning students to mixed ability teams. 2 is establishing positive interdependence, just like in elements of cooperative learning. 3 is teaching cooperative social skills. 4 is ensuring individual accountability. And 5, helping groups process information. These are in addition to assigning a common goal in which each member of the group will realize that their group will not succeed unless everyone contributes to the group's success. It's also important for the teacher to limit learning group clusters. And the ideal group for a cooperative learning is only 6 members in a group. And sometimes researchers agree that the computer is a purely natural learning vehicle for cooperative learning, at times called promotive learning. Okay. Thank you.